am Shaheen Akhtar, Senior Teacher English, City Government Girls High School. Welcome you, the student of Class 8 of City Government Girls High School, to watch our online classes organized by City Government Girls High School. Dear learners, in our last class, we discussed about prefixes and suffixes. We came to know the definition of affix, prefix and suffixes, and what are prefixes and suffixes. In those class, we came to know that a letter or a group of letter that sits before a root word or at the back of a root word called affix. And there are two kinds of affixes. Those are prefix and suffix. And with the prefix and suffixes, we can make many new words with new meaning. Dear learners, here you can see an example. Comfort is a root word. Here we get comfort as a root word. That means feel easy. If we add un as a prefix before this root word, it comes uncomfort. Means feel uneasy. Dear learners, if we add able at the back of this word uncomfort, it comes uncomfortable. That means something which is not comfortable. Dear learners, so you can see that with the help of prefixes and suffixes, we can make many words, many new words. And those new words which are formed with the help of prefixes and suffixes are called derivatives. Yes, so we can say that uncomfortable is a derivative, means a new word. In my last class, I discussed only 4 prefixes and I made some new words with the help of those prefixes. There are actually many prefixes. You can see I have made a list of some prefixes, and those are il, non, miss, able, be, g, m, and t, over, sub, under, inter, co, male, for, semi, super, pre, transmit, etc. So dear learners, with the help of those prefixes, we can make many words. So let's try to make some new words with the help of some of those prefixes. Today in my class, I will try to make some new words with the prefixes. First, we get here 3 prefixes il. Those 3 prefixes actually means opposite, or it gives a reversal meaning. And in actually sits with those words which start with B, P and M. Let's try to make some new words with the help of in. We can write incorrect. Incorrect. We can write inactive. And if we try to write any words with in, we can write immortal, impossible, with the help of IR, I can write irrelevant. Okay, learners. So you can see that with the help of these prefixes, we can make some new words. Incorrect, inactive, immortal, impossible, irrelevant. Let's try to make some new words with il. That also means opposite. Il. can write illegal, illiterate, illiterate, illegible, illegal, not legal, illiterate, not literate, illegible, not legible. Okay. Now we will try to make some new words with non, means not. You can write non-smoker, a person who doesn't smoke. A person who smokes is a smoker, and a person who doesn't smoke is a non-smoker. You can write non-stop. We can write non-registered. That means something that is not registered. Non-registered. Okay. Now we'll try to make some new words with miss. It means actually wrong. You can write misunderstand. Mistake. That means a wrong. Misguide. Not properly guide. Misguide. So with the help of miss, we have written misunderstand, mistake, misguide. You can also write misdeed. Let's try to write some words with the help of be. Actually, with the help of be, you can make more words. You can turn a word into verb with the help of be. Example is befool. To make someone fool. Befriend. To make friend. I can also write become. White. To make something white. Come. Become. Okay. Dear learners, I hope that you have written those words in your exercise book. If you write it and then you can review it, you can make more new words. Now come EM. D. Can write anti. Can write over. Can write sub. M. Can make words empower. To give someone power, empower. Embody. Can write another word embrace. Next come D. It also gives a reversal or opposite meaning to a word. I can write defame, defeat, deforest. Can also write defrost. So what I have written with the prefix D, defeat, deforest, defrost. Now I'm going to write words with the help of anti. Anti means opposite. It gives a opposite meaning. A root word. It gives a opposite meaning when it sits before a root word. Anti. Anti-nuclear. I can write anti-nuclear, antibiotic, anticlimax, anticlimax. I can write antisocial. So anti gives a opposite meaning. Anti-nuclear, antibiotic, anticlimax, anti-social. Now comes over. You all know what it means, over. Something extra. Over. Overtime. Overnight. Overnight. Overweight. When a person gains too much weight, then we can say he is overweighted. Overwork. So learners, you can see that with the help of fixes, we can actually make many new words with new meaning. Now comes sub. You can write substation. Can write subcommittee. Subcommittee. Can write submarine. There are some other affixes are left. Let's try to make new words with the help of them. Under. You can write underside. Understimulate. Now come co. Can write coexistence, coordinator, coordinator, correlation. Correlation. Mel. It also gives a opposite meaning, something wrong. You can write malpractice. A practice which is not good for anyone. Malnutrition, undernutrition. Then another is 4. Can write forehead. Forecast. To say something in advance. Forecast. So dear learners, you can see that with the help of prefixes we can make many words. And as same we can make many words with suffixes also. So in our next classes, gradually we will discuss how we can make new words with suffix also. So I think today we have made many new words. So dear learners, try to go through the text and try to practice to make new words with the help of prefixes. So if you want to make new words with those prefix and suffix, you have to go through attentively. Then you will be able to create many new words and enjoy it. So dear learners, that's all for today. Hope that all of you are fine, safe and sound at home. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.